I'll be using Loom for some time, and this video I want to tell you one of the useful tools as a digital entrepreneur you should be using. I'll be using tool, and it's under $10. I think I'll be paying, and mostly even the free version you can get started and use it. But with the paid version, this is not an affiliate video or anything. I like the tool, and as you guys know, as a digital entrepreneur, I bring up the tools that you all can use to really make it effective, and also the reliable tools that you can use as a digital entrepreneur to pass on your message, do the certain task and things like that. So I'll be using Loon for 3-4 years or so. I mean, I think a very long time. So maybe that long or so. I'll be using tools like Zoom and also Riverside and different Camtasia to screen record and things like that. But since Loom came, I'm actually hooked in Loom, and this got for me to even drop down some of the other paid tools. Like I've been paying for the Zoom for a long time, Riverside for a little bit. Didn't really like the quality of it and the stuff, and I'll hope they improve it. And Zoom had to drop it as well, because I felt like I can actually record it, and the advantages the tool starts giving, especially for YouTube video creation. And you guys can see even this video. I below put the chapters. Like, let me show you. So I'm gonna take you to the next screen, and if I to show you this video which I did, if I click on this video, so this is my Loom account. So what you can see is basically you can see the chapters which I can easily have it on the description. As soon as I finish this video, this is how it appears. It quickly processes it and gives a summary which I can edit and add more. And the best part I like using Loom to do tutorial videos is and screen recording videos. And if I want to put a video up on my YouTube channel, the chapters, which takes time, which I don't like it, I would like to give it even the tags. I can drop some tags, save it here, copy the tags, drop it on my YouTube video, as well as I can edit the video in a level. I can put a thumbnail, I can add a link. Of course the link works on this one when I share the screen, but Loom has been a really good tool on that one. Get the transcript easily. All the transcript is there. If I want to take the transcript and drop as a YouTube video description, which is a really helpful part. So shout out for Loom, and if you're a digital entrepreneur, you should try Loom and get started and using. I thought this tool is getting really going to get bigger, and they might be one of the video editing platforms. I'm hoping hopefully they will do that, because we can, as you guys can see on my Loom channel, I have all my videos even stored. So when you have a paid account, I can literally show history. Let me even show you what I am paying for this account. So settings, workplace, no, the billing should be here. So what's it? And the accounts and the preference. And when you go, I have my account actually named here, right? Let's get it right. And I have my name and Raymond. So save my thing. This is the Click Do Loom account. So and yeah, it's the details. It's like we're paying less than a 10 something, $10 a month. So the Loom account is all there. Workspace is there. So the details is all here. And yeah, this is the billing. So you guys can see just like $10 a month. $10 a month to create a lot of videos. So many videos can be done. There are other accounts. I hope members, you can add members as well to the account. Have I given anything? No, this is only the ClickDo account. But you know, guys, like for $10 you can have such a good software that you can use for screen recording, as well as the best part that recently come, which I started to like, is the chapters, which is really easy. When you burn a YouTube video, you copy it from here, and it's already getting the video that I'm recording, getting already processed, which is really good. So you copy it automatically with the AI gives an amazing title. So pretty much it's making you less think, and it does the hard task and everything. So it makes the work happen really fast as well. So it gives a nice title, which I uploaded on the entrepreneur channel. You guys can see already on the channel I have the YouTube video, which on the so you guys can see on the channel I have this video already put here. and the video is already make sure you like and subscribe some video what this video as well. And I have the chapters, which is the easiest part, which I like. This is what got me really hooked and what got me to think about I want to do a video for Loom and give a shout out. And all I can tell you guys, if Loom guys, make sure it makes really bad, give us some editing tools and everything. This tool is going to be big, because if you all also come with the video hosting, the video get of course saved on the PC if you all don't have the server capacity. I'll recommend if you give the editing tools and all the AI modules and can take the videos, cut into shorts and all those things, I think that's where it's going to go. So if you're a digital entrepreneur, make sure you try out Loom. And this video I want to show how the Loom works and why I like Loom, and why as a digital entrepreneur Loom can help you. And Loom is a good tool to start using for $10 at the moment. I like this price. I hope you guys are going to keep the price for $10 for a long time. And let's go ahead with Loom. And let me know if you're using Loom, and if you have been using Loom, and if you never used Loom, give it a try for the Loom. Drop your comments below and like and subscribe, and let me know what you feel about the Loom software. So as you guys can see, I'm bringing interesting softwares that I personally use as a digital entrepreneur, what you can also use to get your digital entrepreneur work easy and fine tune and do it very well. So let's see exactly what title this the Loom generates for this video, and the exact description I'll be taking and publishing, and the chapters as well as Loom does it, so I can fine tune if I want. But I'm gonna let you all see below of this video exactly what Loom did, and how the thumbnail and everything got picked up, which I can actually give a thumbnail. So yeah, this is a shout out I want to give to Loom. And if you're looking as a digital entrepreneur to use a easy to manage, easy to use AI powered screen recording software, Loom is a good choice to go for.